Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naim Aslam, and welcome to our channel on which we provide daily update to you guys, discussing what exactly is going on with the market, where are the big opportunities, and what fundamentals or factors are really driving the prices. So, as always, just a bit of housekeeping. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, because by doing that, it gives you an opportunity and the notification the moment that we go live. Now, in today's stock market, what we're really looking at is again that diversification. Investors are still very much selling that tech stock, because that is what we saw on Friday as well. And if you are wondering what is the reason behind this particular sell-off, folks, there is no particular reason. The only reason is it's still the same which we have seen in the previous few weeks, and that is inflation concern. That is your rising treasury yields, because last week we had the 10 and 30 treasury yields auction. Of course, the 10-year one went quite well, and the 30-year one kind of brought some spike in the market. And now, because of that, on Friday last week, what we saw was the Nasdaq index starting to pull to the downside. However, it is more important at times like these to pay attention to levels and actually to the price action as well, because that really helps you to filter the noise. Now, what do I mean by that? Let's have a look on the daily time frame for the Nasdaq 100. Plot for your 50, 100, and 200-day simple moving average. You can see that the Nasdaq 100 index is very much in battle, or at least the bulls are very much trying to keep the prices above the 100-day simple moving average. So for me, that is okay, because as long as the price stays above the 100-day simple moving average, we are still likely to move to the upside. Doesn't matter about inflation worries, rising treasury yields, because all of these factors tend to fade away automatically the moment that the price action really kicks in. Meaning, when the price starts to move above these moving averages, we really see that, yes, now the momentum is moving in. So that is what we've got to really look at. Now, in terms of crypto markets, of course, the weekend was amazing, because Bitcoin not only crossed the 60,000 price level, which we talked about several times before, but it went all the way to 61,000, meaning now the door is really open for Bitcoin to continue its journey from here onwards to all the way to 70,000. So for me, 70,000 is a really, really critical price level between now and the 100,000, because the moment we cross the 70 or 75,000 price level, then it is going to be very, very much clear that yes, the next target is 100,000. And by the way, if we put Fibonacci extension, do you know how far this price is really going to go? Do you have any idea? Just pop it in here. Let's see if you guys can really see where the Fibonacci is really projecting for Bitcoin prices to go. Give me some number which you think how far Bitcoin price is really going to go, because remember, this is a live session. You can really put the number there. Oh no, someone is saying the 350. No, you mean 350,000 or 350? Because $350 will really kill it altogether. So I presume what you are really saying is $350,000 rather than 350, because 350 would be an absolute killer for this price. Oh God, we all going to really die if really. I'm already speaking metaphorically, but yeah, 350,000. Thank you for clarifying that. So any more guests out there? What do you think the Fibonacci ratio of Fibonacci projection for Bitcoin is really? How far Bitcoin price can really go? What do you think is the Fibonacci is projecting that number at? Do you guys know? Do you guys have an idea? If you do, I have one prediction which says 350,000, which, by the way, for the sake of clue, I can say it to you guys. It's not too far. We are not too far from that number, the one where the Fibonacci is really giving it. So give me one more idea, okay, while we continue to see that, and then I'm going to pause by not giving you the answer yet, because we wanted to see more numbers coming over here. So let's move on to the next instrument, which is gold. when we look at the chart for gold prices, it is very clear that the prices have moved from our support zone. If you haven't seen the video of a gold technical analysis video, which I've done previously, I highly recommend you, because gold prices are really bouncing from a level which we defined it that this is where the price or buy orders can really come in, and then they can move. Again, the question is still on how high do you think Bitcoin price can go? What is the Fibonacci projection? So Fibonacci projection really gives you the price level, how far that it can go. We have one answer which says 350,000, and then you can always, after the video, put it over here as well, and then I will mention the answer afterwards in the comments below on this video, just to get you guys really talking and then get you guys the ideas of that one. Right, okay, so going back to gold prices, the momentum is still very much to the upside because prices are moving higher. And even as of today, when I see the daily time frame, I'm seeing buying pressure coming in, but the major resistance in terms of a daily time frame is, or let's just say on the 4-hour time frame, because that is the one that we really got to look at, is 1744. The moment we cross the 1744 price level, it is highly likely that from there onwards prices will continue their journey to the upside. As for Brent and oil prices, because obviously we saw that massive retracement last week after the price went all the way to near enough that $65. It went nearly 67 was the low, and then 67.97. Now the prices are moving higher, and again they are at a critical price level of 70. And then after that, we have the level that we will be really looking at after that would be that 72, 70, let's say 70.91 or 71 price level is pretty much what we'll be really looking at in terms of Brent prices. So keep an eye on the Brent oil price, and do let me know, what do you think the oil prices will continue its journey to the upside? Do throw your projections as well. Do share your ideas as well. What do you think where the prices are really going to go with respect to oil prices? Put your comments over here, because I think that the prices have gone too far too fast. So I think it's very much of a consolidation from here, because I cannot think that how the prices can really go above $70. But obviously there are fundamentals which are supporting it, meaning OPEC is still not increasing the production. It is in no and OPEC doesn't think that it is going to increase the production. Why? Because it knows that the US oil industry is pretty much going to be dead, because the moment that they see that they are revving up the production on their side, OPEC quickly turns the production higher, and that starts to hit their profit, because the US shale oil industry has a very high break-even point. So because of that, so that's all for today. If you like the content, if you enjoy the content, please hit like, and I'll be with you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Thank you, stay safe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.